Good morning. 6:45 in the morning. It's raining out. Nice and cool. Let's go get our breakfast here at Enchanted Lake Shopping Center. Where are we now? Franklin, gonna go to Starbucks. Yes. I got a venti today. I normally don't get one this big, but I got my reward, so it's free today, so I chose the big one. It's lunchtime. I'm going to walk to get my food. I thought I could do this, but it's actually kind of painful. I'm on King Street right now. King and Smith. Let me show you where I'm gonna go. I have to go all the way over there. That's like 900 Fort Street. That's not a very far walk, but for me it's far because my feet are very sore today. I'm waiting for the light to turn green. It's not raining right now. But the sidewalk is kind of wet, so I don't want to trip or fall. It's not that cold today. Maybe the upper 70s. Not bad. They're getting ready for Chinese New Year. They're having the parade and celebration tomorrow, so they have a lot of these no parking. Not like you're supposed to park here anyway, but signs all on the sidewalk. Getting ready for the celebration tomorrow and Saturday. Year of the Pig. Oh, I want to make this light so I can cross the street. Can you do it? Can we do it? Nice. Okay, I'm still walking on King Street. It's starting to rain now. I'm walking past the old Longs. And across the street, that's the King's Court. And then Island Insurance. Coming up to Bethel Street, where Walmart is. Let me show you. Look at Doggy. Hi, Doggy. There's Walmart. And this is the preschool or infant care, actually. Oh boy, it looks like it's snowing, huh? It's starting to rain pretty hard now. Ah, sunlight. I didn't bring an umbrella. Oh no. I like to look in the window at the babies. I don't know if I see any babies today. No. Probably nap time. This is the banquet building. Starting to rain harder now. This is where we're going. Into the Pioneer Plaza because that's where Subway is. That's what I'm having. Subway sandwich, and it's raining hard. Ah. Got a cool eating places. This is like an Italian restaurant. And there's Subway. And this is Saigon. Wait, let's go get our.
Can I get yeah, lettuce please?
Got my sandwich. Now, let's hope the rain stopped. So we don't have to walk back in the rain. So what I did was I ordered through Moa app. And then I paid through there, so I just had to pick up, tell them my name. Oh, it's kind of raining again. This is not as hard. I don't want to wait just in case it gets harder. I just want to get back in the office and eat my food. Coverage from the rain. A little shop that was passing by. Buildings people live in. People actually live down here in California. I don't know if I would want to, but yeah, that's an apartment building there. This is Home Street Bank. Bank is First Line Bank across the street. This is New Iwanu in King Street. And then that is used to be the Macy's outlet when I was in my teens. It gives me the memory of when I used to come to downtown and me and my mom used to come over there and look for school clothes at an outlet because it was Liberty House outlet, not Macy's outlet. It was Liberty House outlet. So this building has been got some memories. Passing by First Line Bank. I like this First Line Bank because it's, I don't know, it's so old-fashioned. I don't know if you can see. It's so Chinatown-ish. Hawaii National Bank across the street there. These sidewalks. If you look at the design of these sidewalks, this is what makes me think, makes me know I'm in Chinatown. It seems like the sidewalk, you know you're in Chinatown when the sidewalks have this design. Which is actually kind of slippery when it's wet. Those fashion. Oh, can we make this light? I don't know if I can make this light. Yes. Okay. And that's Callista, where they sell gowns for pageants. Across the street there is the Pig Lady restaurant. I've never ate in there yet. I guess it's pretty popular because sometimes there's people waiting outside to get in. That is the Chinatown branch of Bank of Hawaii there. So decorative in Chinatown decor. And this store sells a lot of this Chinese stuff. Can't think of the name. We're on Mauna Kea now. This is a new store that just opened this year. Chinatown municipal parking. That's where I park. This Way shop is very popular. We're on a queue still. I like the look of these buildings. I don't know, I've always been kind of interested in these buildings. And this is where I get my Honolulu and rice cake. I've never ate in there before. There's the low-fat food. I guess they're renovating it. I hope they don't change it too much because I really like the history of this building. No, right here. The way it looks. There's where we're police station. And there's Monica Market there. Alright, here's what I got. Some chips. A tuna sandwich. I call it a tuna melt because I had them toasted. Yum, 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 yum. And of course I bring my own drink. So, let's have a happy lunch. Good afternoon, everyone. It's lunchtime. Well, for me it's lunchtime. It's actually afternoon, but I don't know if I ever tried this place before. It's been here for years, so I'm gonna try it out now. It's on King Street. It's called Richie's Drive-In. And I hear they have a drive-through plate lunch, so let's try it out. Is this what you order? I'm told to try the boneless chicken, so we're gonna try that out. I'm gonna drive through now. There's nobody in front of me. So I'm questioning if we're even open. Do I press the button? Do I order? I'm a little confused. Okay, maybe not. Maybe I park and go in? Park. I'm gonna run in. It's like raining because I don't know what happened to the drive-through. I was told to go through that drive-through, but I don't know if I was supposed to press a button or what. So, walking rain and going to Richie's Drive-In. Okay, so what I found out was that when you pull up to where the window was, it has the menu, you would press the intercom button, and I guess someone will come on and you can order your food, and then you pull up to the window and pay and pick up. Now I know. I don't think I went through the drive-thru before. I don't know if I've ever been here before. It doesn't look familiar. It's been here for years, but I don't think I ever tried it. But they said that the boneless chicken is something you need to try. It comes with gravy, so I got that. So let's see how that tastes. Let's take a look at this. I didn't even open it up yet, but it feels really heavy. Let's see how much they give. Wow, look at that. Doesn't that look good? There's some salad, which I asked for all rice, but that's okay. Now I can try their salad. Boneless chicken has gravy. All right, let's see how it tastes. Let's try this. I guess I should have used a knife first. Well, let's try the salad. I usually get all rice with everything because I don't really care too much for plate lunch salads, but not bad. They said something about because it doesn't have onions in it, it's different. Let's try some chicken. Okay. Very good. Try some of the very good. We'll have this again, definitely. Next time, maybe we'll try another plate, but definitely we'll have this again. Thumbs up.